From the first time I saw you, I knew it was true. My heart had been waiting for someone like you. Through the laughter and teardrops, through the sunshine and rain, we weathered the storms, we danced through the pain. And no matter what life tries to put in our way, I promise I'll stand right beside you each day. Forever and always. I'll be your man through every plan. When the road is rough, when the nights feel long, I'll keep us strong. This love won't fade. Through every change, you're my heart, my soul, my grace. We've had our battles, we've had our doubts, but love isn't love, it's never been tried out. You're the fire in my soul, the peace in my mind, the love of a lifetime, my reason, my light. And no matter what life tries to put in our way, I promise I'll stand right beside you each day. I'll be your man through every plan. When the nights feel long, I'll keep us strong. This love won't fade. Through every change, you're my heart, my soul, my grace. Even when we're old and gray, I'll still look at you the same way. Hand in hand we'll walk this line until the stars no longer shine. Oh yeah, I'll be your man through every plan. And when the nights feel long, I'll keep us strong. Forever and always. This love won't fade. Through every change, you're my soul, my grace. Forever and always. Oh, oh. Forever and always.